So over the last couple of days in trading, the market in Google has hit resistance, but it's a breakout going to occur soon. I'm going to talk about that today on the video. So welcome over to the channel. Let's break this down real quick. You guys will see a price prediction already here. We've expected the market in Google to go up. Kudos to those who got the 8.21% on October the 30th. We did this price prediction on September the 20th. So it took about 30 days or so for that to play out. Good job. We're also going to get rid of these pockets of selling right here because the market in Google, or the sellers in this market, did not hold back the buyers at all. So we could cut that out the way. The only thing that is currently holding back a breakout is this seller's pocket right there around 183 to like 185. That's the only thing. Outside of that, Google's going to make all-time highs again. So let's go ahead and mark areas of buying. So that's a pocket. Here's a pretty big pocket right here of buying for Google. Okay, so I would say maybe this area too. Let me put that on 330 so we can see. So yeah, I would make that into a pocket. So now we got 3 pockets of buying. Okay, so under the advent of lower prices in Google, these 3 pockets needs to hold price. Now, preferably, we want to see the market hold the closest pocket because that would definitely give us a higher chance of seeing a breakout. If the market doesn't hold this first buyer's pocket and it comes down to this third one, then it's going to take a while for this market in Google to break out. I'm just going to keep it real. Now, here is Google on the 2. Okay. On the prior 2-day price bar, look at that. We got that weakness bar right there. But then immediately the next 2 days, price still went up. So again, they're telling us what their thinking is. They're telling us that they want to move the market up because you won't see a price bar where price closes on the low and then immediately the next price bar, it goes up. So somebody bought Google when the price was around $175. Somebody did. And they're so much confident that they was able to take the high of this 2-day price bar back up to the high of the prior 2 days. Here it is on the 3. 9 hours and 9 minutes left. Again, it looks pretty bullish off of what occurred on these 2 3-day price bars. Like we got weakness here, market went up. We got weakness here, market went up. You guys can see it. Like, what is there to talk about? Why would the price in Google go down when we can also see that the market is making higher lows? This stock is still bullish. Here it is on the 4. This 4-day bar is telling us that people bought because throughout the last 4 days of trading, Google traded all the way down here on the low of $172.75, but it closed $4 or $5 higher. Or $7 higher. Right there. Here it is on the 5. 9 hours, 9 minutes, and we're still seeing price close at the high in the bar. Somebody bought this stock over the last 4 to 5 days. Here it is on the weekly. Google on the 2 weeks. 3. I like the 3 weeks bar right there. Here's Google on the 5 weekly chart. These 2 5 weekly bars is telling me that somebody's buying this stock. Here it is on the monthly. Okay. So right now, I mean, it looked like this stock wants to break out, but we do have this pocket up here that we got to contend with first. And since we are already anticipating higher prices in Google, we are going to create these other 2 pockets of selling though. So I want us to be aware that even though we are anticipating higher prices in Google, we also are anticipating some sellers to try to knock down the price. So these 3 pockets up there will represent that. Now I'm going to put on this prediction for Google. And these are our targets. Our first target is already here at the high of this first seller's pocket, 185, 3% there. Second pocket is going to be, second target is going to be at 188 to 190, which is around 6% profit there. And then third would be around 192, which gives us around 7.13. Simple. All right, so we'll see how high the market wants to go. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.